Hey everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we are now looking at the gorgeous pool here, at the gorgeous pool that's at the Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. Man, this is one of the best pools I've ever seen, literally. And this is also, I have to say, the type of pool that I would typically see at a high-rise apartment. So you can see how the community looks like itself. It's really cute. It's fun. Every place has balconies. There's a really cool wood fence that's over there so people can have private yards on the first floor. So if you need a private yard, you got it. It's all enclosed, but then really it's about this pool here on this video. So this pool is beautiful. Look at it. It's just simply gorgeous. It's a really, really pretty, very pretty, gorgeous pool. I like how long it is. This is probably about 150 feet long. Not kidding, maybe 200 feet. This seems longer than a football field. Really does. It's super long. I like how it's got these waterfalls that you'd swim through. That's greatness. And then you do have a fire pit that's here too. So this is just gorgeous. And you've got just beautiful chairs here. You do have a grilling station also. You've got everything that's here. So it's a beautiful feel here. It's a beautiful look and lots of areas to enjoy it with. Hey, I love this pool. Well done, the Storey. And that should do it on this video. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. We are able to set up a tour at any time. That can be a virtual tour, that can be a live tour in person. Whatever you need, we'll take care of that right away. That's part of our free service where we find your perfect Dallas apartment. So my number's below. Reach out.